Today, let's join Mon to explore the birdhouse at VinWonders Nam Hoi An and see what surprises await. The very first friend Mon meets is a peacock, calm and graceful, even without spreading its tail. Peacocks usually spread their tails only when they want to impress a female or show off their strength. Today, our peacock is just relaxing, so no tail display this time. Only male peacocks have the long, colorful tail feathers. The females, called peahens, look more modest with brown and gray feathers, perfect for hiding and protecting their chicks. Do you know what these birds are? With their bright red and green feathers, they look truly stunning. They are macaws, some of the largest parrots in the world, famous for their colorful plumage and amazing intelligence. And guess what? Macaws can even learn to mimic human voices. They are also very friendly and affectionate, often forming strong bonds with the people who care for them. With proper love and care, a macaw can live up to 50 years, even longer than a human generation. Would you like to meet such a parrot one day? Oh, look at that bird. With its reddish-brown feathers and shiny green tail, it almost looks like a duck, but it's actually the red jungle fowl, the wild ancestor of our domestic chickens today. Isn't it amazing that every chicken around the world came from birds like this? Wow, these are rainbow lorikeets. Their feathers shine in every color of the rainbow. Unlike many parrots that eat seeds, lorikeets love nectar and sweet fruits. No wonder they look so bright and full of energy. Which color do you like the most on this bird? This little parrot is called a monk parakeet, also known as a Quaker parrot. Monk parakeets are clever birds, famous for building large stick nests and even learning to mimic human voices. This tiny blue bird looks a bit like a parrot, but it isn't one. It's called a blue waxbill. With its bright turquoise feathers and pink beak, it's one of the prettiest little birds in Africa. Here we see a pair of Lady Amherst's pheasants. The male is brightly colored with a long striped tail, while the female is brown and patterned. This way, the male can attract a mate, and the female can stay hidden while protecting her eggs. What a wonderful visit to the birdhouse. From feeding playful parrots to watching the colorful macaws, the kids had so many amazing moments. Now, as Mon and his brother step out through the gate, get ready, because the exciting bird show is about to begin. Welcome to Wings of the Wild. What an unforgettable show full of surprises and laughter. What was your favorite bird today? Comment below and join Mon in the next adventure.